back to another chomp vlog. I caught it. My boys are enjoying their breakfast. Why is there a pillow here? Was it yummy? And here's my breakfast. Starbucks. And this isn't Starbucks, that's a banana chocolate chip muffin from Costco.
This is my breakfast. This is all I'm having. A bit of a fruit smoothie kind of thing. This is what's in them. All these fruits are packed into here, and it's full of vitamin C, which is good because I feel like I am getting a cold.
We're going grocery shopping. Are you excited?
I don't know. Those are a little long for you.
Well, I can't help that I'm 4 feet tall.
Well, maybe you should grow a little.
I can't help that.
Girl, oh look, you just got taller.
Ow!
Come on, keep up.
We have to do a loop around this cheese section so Dalton can look for the samples. We just have to keep walking around here to find them.
There's not one.
Oh, there's none.
I'm gonna write a formal complaint. Samantha, we're not getting junk food. Get out of the cookies.
Oh my god, look at these.
Okay, those actually look kind of cool.
They're the most adorable cookies. I need them. Treat others with respect and know that your life is worth it. You guys are all beautiful no matter what body you are in. You're beautiful and you are meant to live. So I just asked Dalton to take a few little pictures of me against this wall right here. He pulled up right beside it. He's gonna sit there and do it.
Yeah, it's cold and windy. I'm not getting out.
You're actually gonna sit there.
Yeah, I'm being bougie. By the way, you're cleaning my door now because you just dumped your green tea all over it.
Okay.
Oh, you're too far away. You have to come closer. You're such a tool. Your leg's showing.
Yeah, that's what I want. Wait, hold on. There's people there.
I don't care. We're going. If I get hit here, you're buying me a new vehicle. Don't fall. If I get one of you falling, that'll be the best picture ever. That was the last one I thought.
See my bra?
No. Yeah. No. Good. Done.
Last one.
That's what you said 4 pictures ago. Jesus.
Do you like my hair? Kind of like this. This is my second Starbucks for the day. I had a hot drink to wake me up in the morning and a cool drink to cool me down in the afternoon. So nothing exciting is today, like at all. Yesterday though, we went to the movies. We are going to go see, wait, what is it called? Rampage? I don't know what it's called. It's the one with the rock. I'm trying to do a rock impression and it's not okay. The movie was good. This is all the food that I ordered. As you can see, I got a bacon cheeseburger with fries. And then I got deep fried pickles. I got water. I was gonna get dessert as well, but I just chose not to. Dalton got, what was your drink? Water? Monster energy drink.
And it was a rip-off.
Chicken tenders, fries, gravy, and it was like $70 just for the food, not for the movie. And the movie was like 50 bucks for our 2 tickets. So it was like expensive. It's expensive to go, but I know people are gonna be like, you don't have to order all that food. Like, what are you doing? But that was our supper, so we just treated it as both. But the movie was good. The food was good. Did you like the movie?
Oh yeah, it was great.
It was good. I don't really like action movies, but I like that one. Yeah, that was fun. I love the VIP theaters. So the difference is, my arm looks weird here. It looks... So the regular show times, it's just like a regular theater where you're right next, like elbow and elbow to other people. But the VIP theaters, they're like 2 and 2, and the armrest in the middle moves up, so you can literally like lay with your significant other. And you have a table that comes out and you can put whatever you want on there. You have your own big cup holder. There's tons of leg room. The seats are huge and they're so comfy and they're reclining. It's just so much better. It's 19 plus, so if you don't like children or babies, I feel like this is like a brand deal. for the VIP theater. It's really not. It's just a whole different experience. I think around like $10 to $12 for a regular ticket, and the VIP is like $23 a ticket, so you do pay for that extra little thing. Plus there's like waiters and waitresses that come around to your seat and take your order. You can order like anything. You can order alcohol, popcorn, nachos, whatever you want. They have a whole menu. So I really like that for just a nice night out. Obviously I wouldn't do that every time, but once in a while it's so nice. What's that sound? Oh, you're shoveling? It's a scary sound from upstairs.
Plug your ears.
Watch my magic trick.
Short higher. No, higher.
I did. That was
Like
higher.
Higher. Throw it higher.
Colton, any height I can catch it.
Well, let's see. Throw it to the roof.
I can't. Colton,
Go on.
ready?
Yeah, go. Whoa! That was like the same height as the last one.
I can juggle too, 3 of them at once.
Oh, let's see that.
I don't want to show you,
Alright,
but I can.
uh-huh.
I can even do it with my eyes closed.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Cool.
Any height I can catch it.
You missed. Floor egg.
That's not the one that was on the ground.
You're using floor eggs for your
I'm
food.
not. This is what they look like close up. Looks like they're M&M, and they're super soft, and they have this in the middle. They're so cute. I love them.
Oh, hey, it's us. We're gonna pick the squad comment, and I got my popcorn with me in case some drama pops off.
Oh my god. No drama's popping off.
We'll see. I'm clicking go. It's not
you
working.
go?
I'm still clicking go.
Refresh the page.
Okay, so we had some drama getting the thing ready, so good thing I have the popcorn. And the winner is Kinsey Potato.
Can I see?
Adopt Me pulls Illism.
Oh, it's Kinsey. Did you say Kinsley?
No, I said Kinsey Potato.
Oh my god, I love it.
Adopt Me pulls Illism. I'm just kidding. I know what that means. I'm just being a troll.
Should we? We have
You
to-
get the paperwork done, send it out. We'll get it signed, send it back, and then done deal. But let your parents know we will be wanting child support.
I was gonna say we should talk about it first.
I like tacos. You want to taco about it?
Okay, I'm going to bed.
Anyways, goodbye.